All right, will be a good evening and for Emra GH Live Studio. So when you subscribe to the channel, Mr. say over subscribe to the channel here. Now, what notification bell on so pick you all. Now, anytime I do video between be you be the first person on Sabeka. Now, also when you be a meeting, edit Nanaba Kwame Gracious. And rather, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ebo MTN FA Cup now. FA Cup ne mu nsɛm bebree ne nyinaa ɛyɛ goal a aberante a ne din ɛde Kwame Poku enyaeɛ in a 10 minute ɛwɔ game ne mu na ɛde controversies bebree nso ɛnam abɔnten. Ba yɛde bɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na yɛwura Kotoko camp ɛnɛ ɛdeɛ na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Kotoko camp recovery training course so players no ho ɛte sɛ people are asking about aberante a ne din de Saka Dawuda ne injury situation. Yɛde mu nkɔmmɔ nyinaa ɛde ɛbɛrɛ wo. Wobɛhyɛ video no na woma wo nua nso ɛnya bi ahwɛ. Na wohwɛ screen no so a outstanding game wonim sɛ Ghana Premier League na bra yɛ nua Pole ɛfiri mu no. There are 3 games wɔ hɔ a ɛka mu a na sɛ yɛyi no nyinaa nso ɛfiri hɔ no. Tuesday, 2 matches ɛkɔ so Bebian Gold Stars ɛne Pando Heart of Lions bɛbɔ. Na Mediama Sporting Club ne Baseke Holy Stars. Na first game no ana yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ. Ma me morning to tell mo sɛ Kotoko ɛwɔ 42 points. Bebian Gold Stars ɛwɔ 41 points. Pando Heart of Lions ɛtɔ so third. Ono enso ɛwɔ 40 points. It means from the first position to the third position is only 1 points difference. To Kotoko, any Pando is only 2 points and a separate one. This is the game I was a Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko epic and serious. Because Kotoko ever bought Brekum Chelsea. Brekum Chelsea, unfortunate for Kotoko, ne say Brekum Chelsea ball omu game na de chain Kotoko so boy. So the time rest now munya and just a deep and omenya. So Pando Heart of Lions ne Bebian Gold Stars, and Bebian Gold Stars is playing at home. And also Ebema Kotoko and so Ebu Fino. I will say almost any better. To your Kotoko supporter, pray for Kotoko. Because this time the Kotoko team on my brepa. So the fortunate thing a woman said Brekum Chelsea a boy and I'm also mabo. And one. Until her table no Americana Sante Kotoko ɛwɔ 42 points. Bebian Gold Stars ɛwɔ 41 points. Pando Heart of Lions ɛwɔ 40 points. And Heart of Folk ɛwɔ 37 points. And see, this means Pando ewinia or foroba soro. Se Kotoko lose na Pando winia obefra basoro with a 1 point different. The same thing. And a Bebian Gold Stars winning as a Kotoko at the war. So this game ever cost Tuesday, young point at the a crucial game I was so be ashe or you Kotoko fan ashe. Because if GH Live Studio at the update Bebro efa home. Now this is the time I was a mobom pie de Makotoko. Kotoko team no bomb home players in fatigue. Our honor. Players ni be a player. Ehihye body name. Yene ekɔ training grounds yenem de tie hɔ no. I'm telling you the truth, the fact. Because Abrante Ndidi Patrick Asidu oye injured. But oni obi a oye backup the man because Kwesi Asante enya fit. So Kotoko players are doing well. People are saying that they are not doing well, they are not doing that, they are doing this. The players are really doing good. So I was say na yebo players no enso abaso yewura Kotoko camp anura game call so abrante ne din ede Saka Dawuda you say ede Saka Dawuda to stretch so and after the game no me Saka Dawuda din komo cause ya wada no when timi an complete training a call so honom onya knock Friday ana Saka Dawuda etimi full training Edema Akrobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Saka Dawada sounds when you're injury. Ewo game anymore. It means player and still no pressure because or more minute. Eka Kotoko 2 wingers. Now Mujine Musi Akaidema Kotoko. After Nana Poli incidents, no, there 2 wingers na nebo cause Wisdom Basi Fernando no injured. Peter Midu akwa no no swepra. Tina akwa ka Elvis Cheba for any Abrante and din Edi Saka Dawada. Even Kotoko ekwa kobo awo wenchi. Ni ehu sa Abrante ni etuguso. And see players ni epra wo mo ho. But the medical team of Kotoko your best be say players no ebe okay. Yeah, sorry pa. Players no ebe okay. Inti Saka Dawada and your friend Patrick. Omu nyina they are not feeling well. But I was say omo hwe no moboa. Ema team no ekonenim. Enra ewie yam ne Saka Dawada di nkomo no. Na oti pain se won ne nan ne mu. Cause na players in the one true democracy for ne bomobo na ebuga gidi pa. Tina ibinya player na odi bon beto form je Samuel Tinudu oba mu a odi bon beto form because even Abrante and the Justice Blay was out of the game. He was totally out of the game. And again, to me, I could do Kotoko training grounds. But I just called someone there. I know information on the man and I said, I'm a recovery. There are a lot of players are almost rested here. But players in now was present at our training grounds. They are preparing ahead of Nyankopon Yadoma Wednesday game. Echina, yebe room awa dako judge. Na yeah the players no update, training update, recoveries, bibia the umbrella, and so ewo honom. But Saka Dawada Nyankopon Yadoma, I'm sure say obetimi ejinimasi akan against Brikum Chelsea. And say Kotoko fans na more panicking. My mom panicky because after the game I speak to the guy and the assurance was there. So medical team ne hwe no na say pains no enyamwa Nyankopon Yadoma Kuada. He will be part of the team Owambebo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. Justice Blay Enra after the game, he was also feeling pains. I want a 9 you could especially could because Enra you Justice Blay no or top form imprensa na otiem. So I speak to Justice Blay and Justice Blay was quite good. And the recovery course, he was part of the team BBR and so yeah, Kama. Our training ground. So I'm giving you the report from the training grounds, recovery training, and then from the camp of Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Dr. Ogum Ekasai about the players. But me players they are doing well. Penny Huno. Once a Kotoko team second round players a proper. Even backup Edema Patrick Esiedu, Emmanuel Corti, and then again, no, sounds like a backup the right back on Wepra. So Daniel Ajiti and Sifano is helping, but Saida, I had the left back, Patrick Esiedu, the pana didn't be car he's not fit. So Omunya rest, and they are playing games within 3 days. It's only FA Cup in a for 1 week. And that one grand because of na players etibre any pains in it training and course to get the BIO training grounds. And see Kotoko team prepare ahead of the team. Ahead of Drekum Chelsea, Nyankopon Yadoma Kuada. And na coach and Ede Samuel Bodu now training Baba Nyara Sports Stadium now or shake game in ebe or share Kotoko almost strengths and no weaknesses because MTFA Cup is also going to play against Kotoko or Takwa. Takwa na game never cause war. So from the report from training grounds today, actually say players no, it's me a recovery. Omano mo hwana montimi recovery. Wisdom Basi Fernando, Justice Blay, Saka Dawda, they all train today. Omo year recovery America tutu. Omo anye training gidigidi. Tomorrow will be some tactical training. Then they rest. Cause omo year training na no dey because ball no wa ya. So early in the morning they will train. Na yedimu nkomo nyina. And so Eddie Amazo Kotoko team no prepare ahead of the match against Brecum Chelsea. GH Live Studio. Your number one channel a reported from Kotoko. The Kotoko stories na and so Edinburgh. We always talk positive about Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bidin number immigrations. Oba no subscribe. Oba share. Oba like. Now the wadwin chat to us. Asem bi se bi ohubiano. O de farmer yen. Yen so be ho adwuma. And so Ediamo. Peter Amidu Akwa is back. All Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Timida ase. Eno mra wonya Yankopon nhiro. Esan so be share bi.